In 2025, Gamma AI has continued to make waves as one of the leading AI powered tools for creating presentations, and today we're going to give you a full review. If you've been struggling with making professional, visually appealing slides quickly, Gamma AI might just be the solution you've been looking for. So, what makes Gamma AI stand out in 2025? First, it's beginner friendly. You don't need prior design experience to use it. Simply enter your content, and Gamma AI's artificial intelligence will automatically suggest layouts, visuals, and formatting that make your slides look polished and professional. This is perfect for students, entrepreneurs, teachers, or anyone who needs to create presentations fast. One of the biggest strengths of Gamma AI is its time-saving capability. Instead of spending hours adjusting fonts, colors, and layouts, Gamma AI handles most of the heavy lifting. You can focus on your ideas and message while the AI ensures your presentation looks clean, structured, and visually appealing. Another advantage is smart content organization. Gamma AI doesn't just make slides look good. It structures your information logically, highlighting key points and making your message easy to follow. This is especially helpful for business pitches, educational presentations, or workshops, where clarity and flow are critical. Customization is also a key feature. While the AI provides ready-made suggestions, you can tweak colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your personal style or brand identity. This makes Gamma AI useful for both beginners who want guidance and more experienced users who want creative control. Of course, no tool is perfect. One limitation is that the AI isn't always 100% accurate in interpreting your content. You may need to adjust slides or reorganize information to make your message clearer. Also, over-reliance on templates can make presentations look similar if you don't add your own personal touch. Overall, Gamma AI in 2025 is an excellent tool for creating professional presentations quickly, efficiently, and with minimal effort. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time while producing high-quality slides that impress an audience. So, if you're ready to elevate your presentations and make your ideas shine effortlessly, give Gamma AI a try. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Gamma AI is a tool that can truly transform the way you create presentations, and it's definitely worth exploring in 2025.